Want to get creative with freehand designs? Here is how to use the drawing tools on Canva. First, open Canva on your browser or app and create a new design. Any size works. On the left toolbar, scroll down to the pen logo and then press on the pen logo. Click Use to activate it. You'll now see drawing tools like pen, marker, glowing pen, and highlighter. Choose your tool, adjust the thickness and transparency with the sliders and pick any color you want. Now start drawing on your board or on top of your text. Made a mistake? Just click undo or select and delete the drawing like any other element. Pro tip: combine the drawing tool with Canva's layers and animations for awesome presentations or reels. When you're done, just click outside the toolbar and your drawing becomes part of your design. And that's it. Now you can sketch, annotate, and personalize your designs with Canva drawing tools like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.